The question says that a box is 3.5 feet by 1.4 feet by 1.8 feet. A box that is 3.1 feet by 1 feet by 1.4 feet is placed inside the first box. The rest of the box is filled with packing foam. So how many cubic feet does the packing foam take up? So we'll write the volume of the packing box is actually the sum of the volume of the box inside and the volume of the foam. So each box is actually a rectangular prism in the shape. So their volume is actually volume of equals to V equals to length into width into height, like the product of dimensions. So if V is the volume took up by the packing foam, we can write V, volume V taken by foam. We can write that 3.5 into 1.4 into 1.8 is equal to 3.1 into 1.1 into 1.4 plus volume. Now we will simplify. We have 8.82 equals to 4.774 plus V. 8.82 minus 4.774 equals to V. So V equals to 4.046. So the packing foam takes 4.046 cubic feet. Right. So here is our answer for the question.